Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to add your name to the iPhone lock screen. First, what you need to do is go to your settings. After that, you want to scroll down and click on focus over here. Click on plus icon over here, and you want to add a custom. After that, you can type in your name over here and click on enter. Click on next and click on customize focus. Here you can edit your focus over here or simply go back and now when you turn off your phone and turn it back again, you can see. Now to activate that focus, simply swipe down on your screen and click on this focus, and here you'll be able to see an option called focus. On mine it's called Himanshu, and you can simply click on that focus if you have and click on your name over here. After that, it will be activated, and simply when you turn your device again, your name will be shown over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.